Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really well packaged 5-tier plant stand. And this should only take about 5 minutes to put together. I'm going to throw it together really quick, but I wanted to show you how well this came put together. Everything is in nice packaging. It's very heavy, it weighs about 10 pounds when it's completely assembled, but this will stand about 47 inches tall, so almost 4 feet tall. So everything is really wrapped well. We'll have these nice powder coated metal plates that are going to go on there that are going to be able to hold your plants or any other knickknacks that you may have around your house. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing quickly put together and then show you what it can do. So I've got everything out of the bag. It comes with all the hardware that you need. Very simple and easy to use. They even provide you with the little Allen wrenches that come with there, which is great. First thing I'm going to do is actually get the feet put on the bottom of these couple pieces here. Now they are 4 feet and they are adjustable. So you're going to go ahead and screw those. I'm going to go ahead and screw them all the way down on there, but you can adjust them if your floor is not even. That way you make sure you get a flat surface for that. Next step, you're going to take the long bolts, slide them in the outside of these, and then you're going to twist these pieces on. Again, they provide you with those Allen wrench pieces, so when it gets tightened down, you can use those to finish that part up. Now you've got these 4 metal plates. These are really nice powder-coated metal plates. Really heavy duty on here, so when you go, you're just going to screw those into the existing spots that they've got right there until they lock into place. We're going to go ahead and do that on all the holes that they've got there. Again, very easy to do. It doesn't require any tools with that. You just spin them on until they lock into place. So this little guy here is about 12 inches wide. Each one of these trays is about 8.5 inches wide, and the whole thing holds about 138 pounds, so it is pretty robust. Easily can store nice things on there. This is a heavy 20-pound plant here. We can even put it on the highest tier, and it holds it very well. So everything on there as far as the actual structural stability of this is very nice. All in all, it would make a very nice decoration if you wanted to put this in a sunroom, plant room. You could even put it near a kitchen or living room, or possibly even your bedroom, anywhere that you might have some plants or anywhere that you might want to have a nice tiered design.